This video will demonstrate how to set up a self-check station and how to use it. First, locate the two shortcut icons on your desktop. One will be for the staff station module, the other for the self-check. To get to the self-check module, you will need to always right-click Open on the self-check icon. Then wait for the eLIMS application to appear, displaying the Touch Here to Borrow screen. Next, you will need to move that screen to the patron's monitor, which can be done in two ways. The first way is by going to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and right-clicking on the monitor icon. From the list of options that appear, click Extend to, then select Right. Then select the Restore Down box at the top right corner of the screen. Then, with your cursor, you will drag the window as far to the right as you can and double-click on the title bar to push the Borrow screen to the patron monitor. Once you do that, the screen will no longer be shown on the staff monitor, allowing the staff to open up other applications and continue working while patrons continue to use the Borrow function. The other way of doing this is to go back to the monitor icon on your desktop, right-click to select Extend. Next, select the Restore Down button at the top right corner, then hit the F1 key. This will push the Borrow screen to the patron's monitor automatically. Now, if the staff would like to view the patron screen, just right-click the monitor icon again and select Mirror. This will allow staff to see the exact same screen the patron is viewing. Watch this clip to get an idea of how it works. This will also be beneficial if a patron needs assistance, allowing you to view their exact problem. Once the issue is discovered, right-click on the same monitor icon and select the Off option, which makes the patron screen go blank. This will allow you to go into workflows and fix the issue without the patron seeing sensitive material. Once the issue is resolved, follow the same steps as earlier to move the Borrow screen back to the patron's side. Please note the self-check station also has the arm, disarm, shelving, and tagging functions, which will be shown in later videos. Now we can demonstrate how a patron can use the self-check module after you set up the station. When a patron walks up to the self-check station at the circulation desk, the screen will display Touch Here to Borrow. Patrons can then select the Touch Here to Borrow button, where they will be asked to scan their library card to begin checking out their items. Then patrons will be instructed to place 3 items maximum on the designated counter space, which will be above the RFID antenna pad. Once items are placed on the designated area, the screen will display the item's code, the item's title, and due dates for those items. Once all items have been processed, the screen will say, Loan confirmed, please remove all items. As the patron finishes checking out all items, they will have 2 options at the bottom of the screen: to print receipt or exit, or back page. The patron can then take their items and receipt and exit the library without the alarm sounding.